this video, I will show you how to fix Add Music to Profile not showing on Instagram. So from your app, click on the profile section at the bottom right, and from here click on Edit Profile. And at the middle part, you see Music and Add Music to your profile. And when this is not available, there are a couple of things that you can do. And I'm going to show you what you can do. So first of all, go to your App Store or your Google Play Store and then type in Instagram. And when you click on Instagram and you see an update, then click on Update because your app is then not updated to the latest version, and this can cause this function to not work. So go ahead and do this, and if it still does not work, then you can do this. Go to your settings, click on General, Storage, click on Instagram, and in here click on Offload App. When you click on Offload App, you will not delete the app, but you will free up storage and basically reset the app from inside. So go ahead and do this and see if it's working now. If it still isn't working, you can go back to the settings and this time click on Instagram again from your storage, and now click on Delete App and download the app again. So if you do all of these things, you will try everything to fix Add Music to Profile not showing on your Instagram, and if it still doesn't work, it is probably not available in your region. So thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel.